So today we're going to look at this survival cards that I bought off Temu. So if you're interested in these cards or looking into it, at least now I can give you a better idea on what you can expect. So the pouch is kind of like a fluffy material. Not exactly sure what it is. So you get some fishing line and some carrier with it. So the cards you get, let me just show you one at a time. Then I'll just talk about them real quick one at a time. So you get stuff like this. I mean, the hooks are probably good. Sorry for that line, that's just the light in here. Right, the knives, most of the cards I say from different companies, no matter what company it is, the knives are nearly impossible to sharpen because the laser cut out. It's just really tough to give it an edge on it to make it survival worthy. You got some hooks, some buttons on there, some sewing needles, a saw, you know, various things on this one. Yep, needles there. This one you have the pointy stuff, I would say, like the frog jig. This one, that one, the snares would probably work. This one probably wouldn't, that probably wouldn't. There's nothing to this. This wouldn't cut through much. Even if you set it up on a stick, that's not going to be much use. Here, again, saw. I wouldn't say it's aggressive. You got some fishing hooks again. Here is a PSK EDC, that's what it's called. The spear, I mean, the pointy stuff is pointy, they are sharp, but the rest of it, like these would probably work, but I wouldn't give much hope in the rest. Just invest in a proper kit. Again, more fishing hooks. The fork will probably work, the arrowhead, stuff like that, and these needles. Also, I would put a duct tape on the back of this, because once you pop off these tabs, that's it. You can't put them back on. So either pop them all off and put them in a box, and then it has dividers in it, like for hooks and stuff, or use some tape. So like again, the pointy stuff is really pointy, but these knives, there's no effort to any edge or bevel or anything, so they will be pretty much useless. These are not cute. Haven't seen those on a card before, but that's something. Then you have this last one here. Again, they're very fishing hook heavy. I've had a similar knife like this off another card, and again, I couldn't sharpen that one either. You can see how the edge is. It's just you can't really do much with it, honestly. So for the sake of all these cards, basically you can put together a fishing kit, a few snares, and some stuff to stab some fish with it, or frogs. That's probably as far as I would go with this. I wouldn't add this to a survival kit personally. Again, that's just me. I would just get the proper kit. I'd rather lose space and have some good kit than save space and have something like this where, you know, I wouldn't rely on that cutting anything, and I definitely wouldn't want to try to field sharpen this. That would be a nightmare. But everything else that's pointy, yeah, that's fine. But let me know what you think of these card stuff. I know a few companies that make cards, and again, I like to see someone sharpen their knives. If you think you can sharpen their knives, let me know in the comment section. I mean, I tried all different ways of sharpening these, and it's just a waste of time for me. But I would just get like what's here. I would just get a normal fishing kit. Even a hobo reel with a compartment for hooks would be better than this. Now let me know your opinion in the comment section, guys. Let me know what you want to see as well. You know, I'm trying to get some versatile stuff here. But yeah, so let me know what you think. Thanks guys for watching. Oh, also, if you go into the shop show, which is this Saturday the 2nd, let me know. I'm going to be there as well filming. So let me know in the comment section. Make sure you say hi if you do see me. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.